The new Rolex Submariner is without a doubt the most classic and iconic watch of all time. However, with its hefty $10,000 price tag, is it actually worth it? And can you get something better for half the price? Or something just as good for just $1,000? But first, we must discuss the specifications of this piece. The slightly larger 41mm stainless steel case is made with Rolex's signature oyster steel material, which is sturdy and resistant to corrosion. Inside the case houses a new Rolex in-house 3230 movement, which is a staple of Rolex's automatic movements. It is a chronometer certified movement as it has a plus minus of only 2 seconds per day, and it has a handy 70-hour power reserve. Most things are the same from the previous model, as the ceramic bezel, dial and oyster steel bracelet haven't changed much, except for the bracelet being widened by only 1mm. What is new, however, is the different colour variations, as it comes with versions containing a blue or a green bezel, which both look stunning. So the main changes are a 1mm increased size to the case, a 20mm lug width, a new improved movement with its 70-hour power reserve, and it now has a few variations of colour. The thing is, however, it is hard to pick up one of these Submariners due to the lengthy waiting times and lists, and because of its price. You can, however, get something just as good, if not better, for almost half the price. I present you the Omega Seamaster Professional, which is a great alternative for around $5,000. With its coaxial movement and see-through caseback, it already has one up over the Rolex. Both have ceramic bezels which look stunning. It also has a luxurious stainless steel bracelet that is comparable to the oyster steel variant. The movement is also amazing for the price and has the new caliber 8800, which boasts Omega's famous master chronometer certification. You can also get a watch comparable to the Rolex Submariner for only $1,000. This is the Yema Superman Heritage. Click on the screen right now to see the full review on this watch. Overall, I would suggest to not buy the new Rolex Submariner and put only half of that money towards an Omega Speedmaster Professional. With saying that, however, the new Rolex is still an amazing watch and is probably the most iconic and greatest watch of all time. If you enjoyed this video, please click the videos on the screen now for similar content. Make sure to subscribe, like and comment. See you later.